So, hello to everyone and good evening. Ang karon is isgutan nato ang sa philosopher na si Polybius, and then sa nato ang mga works and writings and his contribution to the national matrix. So let's begin. Polybius. Polybius life. Polybius born in Megalopolis, Arcadia, Greece, and died in 118 BC. A Greek statesman and historian, son of an Achaean statesman, which is Lycurgus. Si Polybius, natao siya dito sa Megalopolis, Greece, and namatay siya 118 BC. Usa siya ka Greek statesman and historian. Ang iyang papa is si Lycurgus, nga usa ka Achaean statesman. Polybius was one of 1,000 eminent Achaeans deported to Rome in 168 BC for supposed disloyalty to the Romans. Apil siya sa 1,000 nga Achaeans na deport kay para sa pag disloyalty to the Romans. So, himo siyang then he became mentor to Scipio Africanus the Younger, with whom he witnessed the destruction of Carthage soon after his political detention had ended. So, himo mo siya mentor ni Scipio Africanus, and naka-witness, and then na-witness niya ang destruction of Carthage. When hostilities broke out between Achaea and Rome, he negotiated for his countrymen and sought to establish order. Pag na broke out sa Achaea and Rome, nakipag-negotiate siya sa mga tao para mag-establish mag-utro og order na magbag-o og order para kaning order lang sundon. And his reputation rests on his history of the rise of Rome. Of its 40 volumes, and only 5 survive in their entirety. So ang lima ra ang nakasurvive sa entirety, so whole. Then next is ang iyang works and writings. So daghan siya gibuhat nga libro, pero ang gipili na nako is kaning duha. Ang pinaka-famous is The Histories and the Rise of the Rome Empire. Ang kaning histories is a universal history which describes and explains the rise of the Roman Republic as a global power in the ancient Mediterranean world. And it is a universal history documenting the rise of the Rome in the 3rd and 2nd centuries BC. So next is ang dili na po sa iyang virtues. Dito sa iyang contribution to the rational matrix. First is the virtues and values. The virtues that Polybius singles out are courage, justice, and pity toward the gods. So, I believe na ang kanimo na yung virtues, kaning courage, justice, and pity. Kani si Polybius, isa ni ka religious man, and Polybius is believe in God. So tarbi siya religious. Tumuon ang iyang virtues kay found sa atin. Mostly courage, justice, and pity. And next is ang principles niya. Ang iyang principles is the republic so uncorrupted. Sa prinsipyo niya gusto niya ang isa ka republic ko or sa iyang mga tao is kusgan or powerful og dili sad ang iyang gusto sa dili is corrupted kay base niya he wants the Roman Republic as a global power. Next is the morality. Polybius evaluates people and events as much from a moral viewpoint. So sa iyang morality gi-evaluate niya daan ang mga tao or events base sa iyang paglantaw or base sa iyang judgment. And then ethics, Polybius' ethic can be understood through his work, the histories. Ang iyang ethics masabtan nimo kung naka-read ka or nakabasa ka siyang libro nga history o kining nga books mahibala na mo og unsay sulod ani din makasabtan nimo kung nganong kani ang personal ethics. Then the last is the best quotation. There are two roads to reformation for mankind, one through misfortunes of their own, the other through those of others. The former is the most unmistakable, the latter the less painful. When we say misfortunes, mga kasawian or bad luck, so sabot ani kung daghan kag mga bad luck sa imong life, pwede mo na ma-reformate or pwede mo na ma-outro imong imong bad lucks or mga kasawian. Then the other through those of others, the former is the most unmistakable, the latter the least painful. So kung unmistakable, say kanang no mistakes. Kung wala kay mga mistakes, so syempre less painful, wala kay problemahon, wala kay mananaw. And maora to, I hope na masabtan ninyo, and thank you for watching, and thank you.